Good evening. Welcome to the Greenleaf Restaurant. How can I help you?
Hello. Could I please see the menu?
Of course. Here you are. Please take your time.
Thank you. I don't see anything I want to eat.
I'm sorry to hear that. What kind of food do you like?
I don't like fish, and I don't eat beef or pork.
I understand. No fish, no beef, and no pork. May I offer you some chicken?
Chicken sounds nice. What do you have with chicken?
We have chicken with potatoes, rice, or vegetables. We also have a chicken burger with fries.
These choices sound delicious. I think I want chicken with potatoes.
Excellent. We can offer you mashed potatoes, roasted potatoes, or fries.
Oh, I don't really like these options. Can I have the chicken with rice instead?
No problem. Would you like your chicken with chili pepper or without it?
Oh, I like spicy food. I think I will eat chicken with chili pepper today.
Wonderful. Would you like anything to drink?
I'll have a lemonade.
We have a strawberry lemonade with mint, or an orange lemonade with rosemary.
I think I'll have a strawberry lemonade.
Great choice. One chili pepper chicken with rice and a strawberry lemonade. Coming right up.